October the 1st, in Beijing, they had a parade, and the weather was fine. Now here's the question, the fine weather, who made it happen? See, the Chinese insist it was all down to them. It's a controversial area for us weather scientists, and for years we've been looking for an answer. Can we really control the weather? We know how rain comes about. Particles in the air cause water molecules to congregate around them, forming raindrops. These particles are called points of nucleation, and they attract the water vapour that forms clouds. But actually water droplets aren't quite enough. You'd only get light rain or drizzle out of a cloud that's just composed of water drops. You actually need to bring ice into the equation. And when you see a big black cloud like this looming, you can be certain that there's ice somewhere in that cloud. As the cloud rises, the atmosphere gets colder, of course. You start to get the water droplets turning to ice. And ice crystals actually grow much, much quicker than water droplets. They also stick together as well and form snowflakes. When they get big enough, they start to fall against the updraft that's going up through the cloud. So it comes out of the cloud as snow, and of course if it's cold enough, then the snow will land on the mountains like these ones in Scotland. In the summer though, that snow actually melts quite high up in the cloud, so then it falls as rain at the surface, and the same sort of thing happens in the tropics as well. And that process has actually been known about for quite some time. But then scientists discovered that if you dump silver iodide into the clouds, it makes the process even quicker and more effective, making it rain sooner. And that means you empty the clouds before they reach your parade. But here's the problem. How do you prove that it was going to rain on your parade in the first place? Which was precisely the question asked during the 60th anniversary of the People's Republic of China. The people from the Beijing Weather Modification Office are adamant it works. And there are obvious advantages to making it rain. For example, where there isn't any water. The Chinese claim that cloud seeding added more than 7.4 trillion cubic feet of rain between 1995 and 2003.